you're watching the Real Estate Investing Show, the premier place on how to earn double-digit returns investing in hassle-free Michigan real estate. If you haven't already, make sure you stop by our main site at premierrealestateinvesting.com and sign up on the front page to instantly get priority email updates whenever new episodes are made available. And today's episode is all about using your IRA to buy real estate. And a little history about me: I've been an investor all my life, and I used to buy stocks every day. I would day trade, I would buy stocks in the long term. Then things would happen. The stock market would drop and I'd lose $5,000 or $10,000, and then I would be really depressed. Then, of course, I went and seen the experts on investing. Of course, that's like your different brokers, and I'd wind up meeting some 25-year-old kid fresh out of college who would tell me where to invest my money. And so I did that because I was kind of getting busy in life. And every 3 months I'd get a statement, and that statement would make me more depressed. It'd be down 5, 10, 20%. So as ironic as this is, today just happens to be Black Friday. As we know, the stock market has continually slid down over the past few months. And thank God that I'm no longer in the market, because I learned of a very secret real estate investing technique that people don't even realize, or that realize it's available, that you can use your IRA money to buy real estate. And it's a tax-free investment for life. So right now, we're sitting in front of a house I just bought through my IRA about 60 days ago. And what I did was I transferred all of my money out of my traditional IRA, which was invested in mutual funds and stocks, and I put it into a third-party handling company, and they hold my money. I went out and found this house, which just happens to be a home that's a 3-bedroom brick ranch, truly a fixer-upper. And what I did was I bought the house for cash out of my IRA, and I've been able to take money from my IRA to do improvements. And I'm going to show you some improvements here in a minute. But we were able to put new porches in, new driveway, paint, kitchen, and the numbers are going to blow you away on this house. I picked up this house for $33,000. So far, I've got $15,000 into it, and probably another $5,000 to go. So probably a total investment of $20,000. So I got a house, brand new house, for $53,000. Now, the beauty of the way this whole system works is, you're like, okay, wow, you got a house for $53,000. But this house is owned by my IRA, tax-free. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in a lease option tenant. Someone's going to come live in this house, give me $5,000 to move in. That $5,000 goes back into my IRA, and every month they're going to make me a rental payment or a lease option payment of $900. So $900 every month will go back into my IRA. So within a year's time, my IRA is going to double. So I took $53,000 out of my IRA to build this house, get it set up, and the IRA actually owns this house, and every month my IRA will get a return of $900. $900 every month for up to as long as I hold this house for when I sell it. Now, this neighborhood that I'm in, this is a $100,000 neighborhood. The house across the street is selling for $129,000. That doesn't mean it's going to get $129,000, but if you look at the comps in this neighborhood, they're all selling for $100,000. So the beauty of IRA investing in real estate is it's beautiful. It's like I've already doubled my IRA, $53,000. I'm getting paid every month. And the reason why I keep bragging about this is I've never had any kind of investment through any of the big brokerage firms that said, hey, we're going to promise you a $900 return on your investment. There's no way. You might get 3%, 8%, and that's it. But with this real estate investment through an IRA, it'll be a $900 cash flow into my IRA. So if I leave that in for maybe 10 years, do the math. It's astounding. It's $100,000 plus. Plus, I still have the asset. It'll never lose. I woke up this morning, I looked at the paper, the stock market was down 400 points, and I guarantee that'll affect most people's actual traditional IRA in a stock fund. But my house here is insured. If a storm comes by, it burns down, I get a $100,000 check from my insurance company. It's something I can touch and feel. And a lot of people got to realize that they got to think outside the box when it comes to investing. They got to think about, what else can I do to get a safe return? And especially in today's turbulent market, it's an election year, we got an oil crisis going on. I really feel that people got to become aware and say, hey, I've got to go outside the box and think about real estate investing. Take your IRA, invest it in real estate, awesome returns, and you're in pretty good shape. That's today's episode. I can't tell you enough how much I'm thrilled about this investment I have here. Beautiful house, I'm sitting in front of it, and I can touch it. I've never ever touched any of my other investments. I had stocks, I could never touch them. But I'm actually sitting on, touching, and breathing my investment that's paying me $900 a month. So keep that in mind, and we'll talk to you in the next episode.